Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about the most important meal of the day, breakfast. If your goal is weight loss, then skipping breakfast or eating the wrong things can be your biggest mistake. Why breakfast is important for weight loss first. Let's talk about why breakfast is so important for weight loss. Breakfast kickstarts your metabolism, prevents cravings throughout the day, and stops you from overeating. When you eat a healthy breakfast, your body is ready to burn fat, and today's recipes will be packed with protein, fiber, and essential nutrients that will keep you feeling full. Recipe 1: Overnight Oats with Berries and Nuts. Our first recipe is overnight oats with berries and nuts. This is so easy that you won't need to cook anything in the morning. Ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, not instant. 1 cup milk, almond milk, skim milk, or any milk. 1 tc chia seeds, optional, for extra fiber and omega-3s. 1/2 tsp honey or maple syrup, optional, for sweetness. 1/4 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 tc mixed nuts, almonds, walnuts, pecans chopped. In a mason jar or container, add 1/2 cup of rolled oats. Pour in 1 cup of milk. You can use almond milk, skim milk, or any milk you prefer. Now add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These are optional but great for fiber and omega-3s. If you want a little sweetness, you can add 1/2 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. Mix everything well and place it in the fridge overnight. In the morning, add 1/4 cup of mixed berries, fresh or frozen, and 1 tablespoon of chopped mixed nuts. And that's it, your quick, healthy, and weight loss friendly breakfast is ready. Oats contain fiber that keeps you full for longer, and nuts provide healthy fats. Berries are packed with antioxidants. Recipe 2: High protein veggie scramble with whole wheat toast. Our second recipe is a high-protein option: high-protein veggie scramble with whole wheat toast. This will give you energy throughout the day and help in muscle building too. Ingredients: 2 whole eggs or 1 whole egg plus 2 egg whites for lower calories. 1/4 cup chopped bell peppers, any color. 1/4 cup chopped spinach. 2 tc chopped onion. Salt and black pepper to taste. 1/2 tsp olive oil or cooking spray. 1 slice whole wheat toast. Heat 1/2 teaspoon of olive oil or cooking spray in a nonstick pan. Add the chopped onion, bell peppers, and spinach. Saute them for 2-3 minutes until they soften slightly. In a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs. You can use 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites to lower calories, and whisk them well with salt and black pepper. Now, pour this egg mixture into the pan and gently stir, scrambling until cooked through. Transfer it to a plate and serve with 1 slice of whole wheat toast. This scramble is rich in protein and fiber, which will keep hunger away for a long time. Whole wheat toast provides complex carbohydrates. Recipe 3: Quick berry and spinach smoothie. And our third and quickest recipe is quick berry and spinach smoothie. When you have absolutely no time, this is your best friend. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, frozen works best. 1/2 cup fresh spinach. You won't taste it, I promise. 1 scoop protein powder, optional, for extra protein. 1 tc chia seeds or flax seeds, optional. 1 cup water or unsweet, and almond milk. Few ice cubes, optional, for extra chill. In a blender, add 1 cup of frozen mixed berries. Add 1/2 cup of fresh spinach. Believe me, you won't taste it at all, but you'll get the nutrients. If you want extra protein, you can add 1 scoop of protein powder. You can also add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds for extra fiber. Now, add 1 cup of water or unsweet and almond milk. If you prefer it colder, you can add a few ice cubes. Blend everything well until smooth. And boom! Your nutrient-packed, weight loss-friendly smoothie is ready. Berries and spinach are full of vitamins and minerals. This will give you morning energy and help control your cravings. So these were my 3 favorite easy and quick weight loss breakfast recipes. Which one of these was your favorite recipe? Do let me know in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy.